Today we come to you live from biologytoday.com, where we are filling you in on a very special organelle, which is running in the organelle election. As the slogan says, the chloroplasts will leave you green with envy. These energy-processing organelles are green and oval-shaped, found in all cells that perform the function of photosynthesis and have the vital job of intaking the sun's solar energy and turning it into food for the cell. It looks like their campaign may be a threat to the other organelles running. The competing organelles are the mitochondria, the ribosome, and the nucleus. We now bring in Lily Bello from the street, who is on her way to voting. How are you today, Lily?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
And who are you thinking of voting for as the best organelle today?
Definitely the chloroplast. Without this organelle, no food would be made for plants and they would all die.
And what about people like us and animals? How does the chloroplast affect them?
Oh, it has a huge effect. You see, without chloroplast, plants wouldn't receive the nutrients they need to survive, and if the plants don't survive, there's nothing to give off the oxygen we breathe in, so we would die. And it's not just humans that would die. Any organism on Earth that needs oxygen to survive would die too. Since almost all cells need oxygen, this one organelle has an effect on everything. The chloroplast is vital to all the cells, and it absolutely deserves to win the organelle election.
Wow, interesting. Well, thank you, Lily, for coming in, and have a great day.
Thank you.
Opposing candidates have trashed the chloroplast. We now welcome PR Associate for the Chloroplast campaign, Mariana Garcia, to speak about how the other parties have wrongly accused the organelle.
Thanks for having me, Fiona. You see, the mitochondria party claims the chloroplasts are bad because they cause Bush Lee stunt virus. They say that this comes because the chloroplasts couldn't manage to provide energy for the plant. But really, this problem is caused by the environment and not from the functioning of the chloroplast. The chloroplast can only produce energy for the plant when it receives solar energy. Bushy stunt virus is clearly a problem because of the lack of sunlight that the chloroplast receives, not malfunction in the chloroplast. The ribosome party says that if the chloroplast in some way transfers these reactions improperly, photosynthetic reactions, the whole system of photosynthesis is destroyed, and the plant is unable to perform its function. But this is not a frequent occurrence, because an overall healthy cell would not have to worry about the chloroplast malfunctioning. If all the other parts of the cell work correctly, there is no reason for the chloroplast to have an issue, unless an outside source causes a problem. The nucleus party stated, if there is no sunlight, the chloroplast is basically a waste of space. The chloroplast is not a waste of space, because it is only found in cells that are exposed to sunlight. When a plant cell is found underground, then it won't have any chloroplast because it won't be in the sun. But every time a chloroplast is in a cell, it performs the correct function that it needs to, and performs it efficiently. So, as you can see, the team here has found lots of information that proves why chloroplasts are the best. Please vote for us, and we won't let you down.
Wow, thanks so much for coming in.
Anytime. Thanks for having me.
It feels like a perfect night to vote for the chloroplast as the best organelle of the cell. It conducts photosynthesis with solar energy from the sunlight into food. Yeah, there are these stacked parts called thylakoids. They are covered in chlorophyll, molecules that trap the sunlight called greenhouse. I don't know about you, but the chloroplasts are cool. They're essential today. But always remember, the chloroplast is where it's at. And that concludes our show. Thanks for watching. I'm Fiona Dunn, live from BiologyToday.com. And remember to vote for the chloroplast.